basketball, you betcha it's time to shine. It's the Daily Trainer, and I'm right back in your face, ready to go and ready to get it in. I'm about to give you some new clips real quick so that we can get right for today's workout. Somebody hit me in the comments and said, but what about post players? You ain't giving us no work. I said, I got some work for you, player. Don't even worry about it. So now we got a little post entry. Bam, you're going to either roll it to yourself and you're going to jump stop out, or you're just going to catch it and you're going to head bend the back. Okay, we're going to face up, we're going to square up, we're going to give them that head fake, we're going to give them that jab, and then you're going to give them that work on that finish on that layup, okay? So that's what we're working on right now is our footwork in the post. Now, for some players that are taller when they're younger, these drills are important because this is something you got to learn even as a guard, so this foundation will be set when you're doing it. So again, you're going to lean that back up, try to feel them, okay? Hard jab, you're going to head fake, and then you're going to go by and finish your layup, all right? You're going to do that on both sides. Remember, when you turn and make that jab, you want to make sure that you are staying low and keeping that center of gravity for the next movement that you want to do. All right, we're gonna make 10 of these because we ain't moving nowhere. You're not doing no running, you're not doing any dribbling, it's just some movement. Okay, so I need you to make 10 of these to start it off right. Okay, and then I'll give you guys some more post moves as you start to get better at these, because I got plenty of them. Okay, then what I want to do is I want to revisit our moves that we did last week where we're driving straight at the cone. We just got one cone at the top. It could be a chair, it could be a trash can, it could be your little brother or sister, whoever you need to stand there for you to go right at them. That's what we're going to do. Okay, so now you got a hesitation. Okay, remember we got the drop cross hesitation. Okay, then after the drop cross hesitation, what I would like to see is the next wave of what we want to do, and it's just stationary, right? So you're going to stand at the cone, you're going to take that one dribble, and you're going to shift the opposite way, then go. Okay, so that's more of a stationary HESI. So that'll be the new one for today. And then you know what? I'll give you one more new move today. I'll give you one more new move, and that move is going to be just your simple like stop and go hesitation. You don't have to like take the step and do all of the extras with it. Okay, so keeping it in the hesitation, keeping it simple, right? Because that is the key and necessary for you to continue to do the right things in basketball and to achieve one move and have a variation of them so that you can be good at it, right? But also understand that there's more to it than just the one move. All right, basketball you, then after you're a little tired and winded, we're going to go ahead and go to the free throw line. And then I'll give you something after that. Make 5 real quick for me. And then go ahead and drizzle a little water on your head. I can't stress layups enough, and I'm going to continue to stress them to you. Remember, it's the highest percentage shot in basketball besides technically the three-pointer. So we need to get really good at this before we get good at anything else. So let's go through our layup series. We got our regular layup. We got our jump stop layup. We got our inside plant and finish with the inside hand layup. Then we have our reverse layup with the right hand. Then we have our reverse layup with the left hand. Remember, we're going to do this on both sides. Then you're going to attack. You're going to take one dribble. You're going to tuck that basketball. You're going to finish that layup with the reverse of the same hand. Then you're going to bounce that ball. You're going to tuck it one more time, and you're going to finish with the left hand. So now we're working going across the key to make a layup there. Okay, so all those attacks are going to be implemented in the game when you're attacking the rim. Those are really the main layups, other than you elevating and doing some other things that I will teach way down the road as we continue to get better here basketball you. All right, remember, you're going to go on both sides. Let's do it 2 times each just so we can get a good feel for the footwork and the finishing. Okay, now when we're looking at what we're going to do next, I said, you know what, let me go ahead and bless them with some more good use of footwork. And so with this footwork, you're going to throw that ball out. Okay, you're going to use your footwork to then get into your rip through. Okay, And with that rip through, you are going to shoot, and then you're going to rip through again. You're going to go lateral, and you're going to make that shot. Then after that, you're going to rip through. You're going to go straight to the rim, but you're going to step back for the 3. Okay? And then we're going to give you some stationary stuff. Okay? I'm going to give you some stationary shooting that you're going to shoot, and that is going to be, and again, it's off the dribble, and you are going to first rip through, dribble through the legs, and you're going to pull up. Okay? And we're going to keep it simple like that today. You're going to do it on both sides, and you're going to make 5. All right? And again, I'm just stressing the footwork aspect of things, but I know you guys want to do more advanced things, but we got to get good at the simple things. So I'm just going to have you rip through. You're going to get to the elbow. You're going to cross back over. You're going to pull up. You're going to make 5 on that side and 5 on the other side. Okay. The other drill, you're going to make 3 of each when you rip through and you finish the 3 different types of footwork you're going to do into your shot. All right. And then we're going to finish up with a nice conditioning drill for shooting. 2 drills that we're going to do to get you ready and in condition. First one is going to be 3-spot shooting, where we're going to go lay it up. We're going to roll that thing back out, work that footwork on the baseline, catch a shoot, and roll it back out to ourselves at the top. Then we're going to rip through, pull up, rip through floater, whatever it is, or even a layup, whatever it is that you want to shoot. Okay, you can go either way, right or left. All right, I just want you to work it on both sides. You're going to make 12 total on that. Okay, on both sides. All right. Then after you do that, then we're going to shoot baseline run. Okay, so baseline run, you're going to make 5, and then wing to wing, you're going to make 5. Okay, that'll be our shooting drill to kind of condition you and end it for today. Now, again, if you don't understand that conditioning is key, then you are losing the concept of having an advantage. We all aren't the tallest. We all aren't the fastest. We all aren't the quickest. So what you have to understand is, how can I gain an advantage? And the only way to gain an advantage is being in shape. And as we move forward, I think within the next week or so, I'm going to go ahead and put together a couple different conditioning videos for you for Basketball U. And we're going to see if you utilize that and if you can actually get through it, because there are going to be some tough ones. All right. But Basketball U, again, I can't appreciate you guys enough for coming through every day and trying to get this work in, because, hey, I'm going to tell you what, it's not easy putting in this work and not knowing what the result is going to be. But I'll tell you what, I've seen the results, and you just got to stay consistent. All right. As for me, I'm out of here, Basketball U. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You know what to do, because I'm going to be here every day as the daily trainer, baby. Oh, yeah, and don't forget, someone's always working. Are you?